I'm Shelley Behan, and welcome back to Miss DUI Arizona. Today, we're talking about your rights, and this will be part of our series of videos about your rights. We're going to talk in this video about your right to an independent test in a DUI case. While some rights are so well known that even school children can recite them, the right to an independent test in a DUI case is not very well known at all. In fact, most people are not aware of it and don't understand it. So today we're going to talk about that right, what it means, and whether you should ask for an independent test in your DUI case. Arizona courts have held that DUI defendants have the right to an independent test of their breath or blood at their own expense. Strangely, even though DUI defendants have that right, the courts have simultaneously held that the police don't have to tell them about it. The same courts have held that even though the police are not required to tell a DUI defendant about the right, they're not permitted to interfere with the DUI defendant in exercising that right and getting an independent test. If you're thinking to yourself, that makes no sense, I agree with you. How would I know about the right to be able to assert it if they don't tell me about it? That doesn't seem fair. And you're correct, it doesn't seem fair. But that's why we're doing these videos, so that you are educated about your rights. The right to an independent test means that you have the right to ask for someone besides the police to draw a sample of your blood in your DUI case and preserve it for testing. This is typically done at a hospital. Do not rely on having an independent lab test the second tube of blood that is drawn by the police. That blood can be contaminated by law enforcement. If you're getting an independent test, go to the hospital and have your blood drawn there. The police usually do advise you that you have the right to an independent test. They aren't required to advise you of it, but typically they do. When they do, if you request an independent test, they will usually also take you to the hospital for that blood draw. Now, it's important to keep in mind that the police are not entitled to the results of that independent blood draw. Those results are for you to use in your defense. There are many circumstances where you would want to have an independent blood test done. For more information about your right to an independent blood test, visit our website at www.missduiarizona.com or contact the Behan Law Group at 520-220-5047 for more information. Call us at 520-220-5047 and let Miss DUI Arizona fight for you too.